year's PPT speech. Then we started connecting with the youth in the universities and elsewhere, publication, research, networking. So all these activities, you see, we have been focusing, and the good thing is that we are getting support from organizations, diaspora organizations abroad, from the faculties here. So this, you see, is a brief idea. More about it when we will be discussing, in the academic sessions. Now, coming about the course, this is the third edition of the short-term course on the interdisciplinary approach to the Indian diaspora. The first two, again, were very successful, and this third course also, in fact, I was looking at the data and I was quite impressed, sir, that we have 33 registered participants from 12 colleges of Delhi University, and besides Delhi University, we have participants from Institute of Management Studies, Ghaziabad, Jamia Millia Islamia, Punjab University, Madurai University, Banasthali Vidyapeeth, and we have a participant from Wellington University in New Zealand. So that, you see, that is the kind of very limited support and the response. Now, coming to the course, why we started it, why diaspora studies, and why should I, as a registered participant, be studying diaspora? What is in it for me? So, a very brief part of that. Now, diaspora today, has become in the focus. It was not so in 1968 or 78. Now we have, very distinguished persons from Suriname, Trinidad, and we'll have the resource person from Guyana also. You happy?
On and offline, it's great to be here. On behalf of the Embassy of the Republic of Suriname, the Ambassador of the Republic of Suriname, His Excellency Arun Kumar Hardinji, I want to congratulate, first of all, ARSP and the SGTB Khalsa College on this great initiative. It always feels good to be here. ARSP it's just like a home now. When I was coming to this place, I thought I have to give a speech. I have to say something. But now that I'm sitting here, then I have another thing to say. I was about to encourage all the young people. I'm seeing all the students here, and I would tell you about the importance of diaspora. But now that Professor Aroraji, like always, has done it beautifully, he has explained it beautifully, then I want to go in depth on that. मैं सबसे पहले सर्वप्रथम मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी it's an honor, बहुत बड़ी मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है कि मैं यहाँ बैठ सकती हूँ, because I am also diaspora. As I'm seeing many students here now, offline तो नहीं देख सकते लेकिन यहाँ, how many of you know where Suriname actually is?
आपको पता है सूरीनाम कहाँ है?
South America. Not even yes. So Suriname is actually the smallest country of South America. It's approximately 650,000 people. And one of the most beautiful things of Suriname is that Suriname is actually also one of the most diverse countries in the Caribbean. And actually the only country in the Caribbean that still speaks Hindi. We still have Hindi. इसीलिए मैं आज भी हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ, है ना? ये हमारे पूर्वज की देन है कि हम आज भी हिंदी बोल सकते हैं। तो यहाँ आते-आते मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं आपसे थोड़ा सा कुछ बता दूँ डायस्पोरा के बारे में, why it's important. Professor Arora ji has explained it, has given you some of the points. Some of them is that for the national